Welcome back to Scotty Knows. Here today we're going to be showing you a little bit around the garage. As you can see, I've actually been doing some drywall spackle. I'm going to show you kind of how that's going. Not doing that on camera, I don't want to embarrass myself, but I did want to give you a little bit of feedback on the Honda motor. So with the Honda build, I have been receiving some parts in lately so I can actually take it to get my car done. The car that I'm actually putting the motor in is a 95 Civic Coupe. Which is actually located at my father's house. So I'm going to be going over there to do a little bit of work, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be doing because it's going to be a lot of work to actually get it going. First and foremost, I got to get the motor over there, which I do have an engine crane, so that's not necessarily the issue. But I got a lot of stuff to do, so I'm going to be taking a lot of stuff over to his house to actually get this car ready to go and prep here hopefully in the next week. Waiting on the starter to come in. I had ordered one, but they sent me one for an automatic, so unfortunately I have to send that back. And I did get one for a manual transmission, so hopefully that'll come in here early next week. I'm actually taking off work next week, so that'll give me some time to actually get some stuff done around the house. Hopefully get this garage prepped up a little bit more, get this motor done and get that ready to go install in the Honda. So I got a lot of stuff to do, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit what I'm working on here to kind of give you an update. I know I haven't posted any of the car videos in a while, so I'm going to give you an update of what's going on. So recently just been gathering parts, so let me show you around and show you what I got going on. So it is a little bit chilly here in the garage, but I have been doing some work. Wanted to kind of get this done. It is a little chilly out here, so I do got my little floor heater. That seems to help a little bit out here. Plus I got my long sleeves, but I've been gathering some parts to get this motor ready to go. So I'll show you guys some of the footage for my Honda. But with that, I actually needed new brakes, new calipers. I needed everything for this car. I got new brake lines here. Under that, I got some new brakes, new rotors, drill and slide of rotors. Underneath of that, I got the calipers. They're in red. I have a new radiator fan. I already have the radiator installed. Put a nice blue fan. The car is actually going to be blue, so I think that'll match pretty well. Also have the mounts for engine mounts. Also have the transmission mounts. So I have a little bit of this stuff here. I was kind of playing around. I did put the engine mounts on just to kind of give myself an idea of what that looked like on the car. I did get this bracket here from one of my junkyard trips and I actually got that painted up and that's looking pretty good. Naturally, I'll install this once I get the motor dropped in, but just wanted to kind of show you what some of this stuff looks like here. So a lot of stuff going on here in the garage. I do have my engine crane. I'll use that to actually get the motor loaded up in the truck. So that's kind of what's going on, but I do have a transmission mount and bracket that I'm painting, so let me take you to the other garage. I'll show you what that's looking like. So welcome to the other garage. Here's where I do most of my prep work, a little bit of paint work. I need a little bit of lighting up there. Need to adjust my lighting in here, give myself some lighting. It's kind of dark, but I do most of my work in here during the day. However, I do have the transmission bracket that I actually have primer coated. Let's get ready for paint. I have been working on this brake booster here. A little bit nasty. I picked that up in the junkyard. Kind of got some of the rust smoothed out a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up a little bit more and get that painted. I'll probably go black with that. Same with the bracket here. I might paint that black, but I got the primer on that. Also, for future knowledge, it is a Honda DX, so nothing fancy, but it does come with disc brakes in the rear. But I do have two sets of drum brakes in the rear. Sorry, but this is actually some disc brakes here. I'm going to do a disc brake conversion in that car, so hopefully that'll get going here soon once I can get the car drivable, and I'll drive it back over here from my dad's garage. So hopefully we'll get that going. So that's a little bit of what's going on here. Please stay tuned for anything future that's coming up. A lot of work, and hope to see you there.